Within the last couple of months, flipping furniture has been a high priority on my list. Successfully flipping 6 pieces now. In this video, I'll be showing you how I flipped a $10 IKEA TV stand for $100 easily in no time. If you're new to the channel and you like these kinds of videos, definitely subscribe down below today for more videos just like this. Now, what I'm about to show you is extremely embarrassing, and you'll probably won't subscribe after you see this, but when I first got this piece, I didn't take any pictures of it, any videos of it, and I am so ashamed because this is not my first rodeo. Although I'm new to this all furniture flipping game, I can't believe that I didn't take a picture of it before I started, but this is the only picture I have. It's just a $10 IKEA TV stand that I purchased from Facebook Marketplace. It had no doors, it came with 2 shelves, and it was just in need of a makeover. It was at least 10 years old, and it had some good signs of, your normal wear and tear. So the first thing I did was I brought it into the garage and sanded the whole wood top with 120 grit sandpaper and a sander. The sander I used was a Ryobi little cat corner sander. I took off all the sealer on top and just really brought that wood back to life and exposed it. And then later on, I did end up sealing the top, which I'll display on screen what I used right here. After I sanded down the top, my friend and I carried it down to the basement, and then I started getting to work. I started by cleaning the whole entire piece with a general purpose wood cleaner that I got at Kroger for $4. I'll display that right here on screen. After that, I removed some of the existing hardware that was left by the previous owner, such as the pegs for the wood shelves and the hinges for the doors. After I did that, I continued to do another thorough wipe down for a second time. Really got in all those nooks and crannies and made sure that the piece was totally free of debris, dust, and dirt. So the paint that I used on this piece of furniture is called Beyond Paint. It's an all-in-one sealer, paint, and primer, all mixed into one. I got it from Home Depot. It is somewhat expensive, but if you're doing a lot of furniture pieces like I am, just one of these projects will pay for it. What you see here on screen is a gallon of Beyond Paint that I picked up from Home Depot for $100. Yes, it is expensive, but it's a primer, sealer, paint all in one. There's no sanding or no stripping required. Just clean off the piece and get to work. Now, I've had some pretty good luck with this so far using Beyond Paint. I have used it on quite a few other pieces of furniture, and I really do like it. They do offer quite a few other different colors as well, so if this blue-gray isn't your taste, there's a lot of other different colors that you can choose from. And no, I'm not sponsored by Beyond Paint, but hey, I definitely should be. So I did end up giving the piece 3 total coats of Beyond Paint, and then I did give the top part of the table of the TV stand 3 coats of the sealer product. After that, I almost forgot that I had 1 shelf to do. It came with 2, but I decided just to give it 1 because the 2 shelves alone would just kind of make it look like an awkward piece. So I just threw in the 1 and I sanded it down, and then I sealed it with the same sealer that I used up on top. So then it would match the top part of the piece. And here's the finished product. So like I said, I picked this stand up for $10, and I ended up selling it just 3 days later for $100. This really nice lady came on over to the house, and she said she really didn't need it, but it would match the rest of her house. She had a blue-gray and wood theme going on in her house, so she said it would look nice and just complement the rest of the space that she had. I hope you enjoyed this video and you got value out of it. Check out my channel. I have a lot of other different flips that I've done, and I have a lot more coming because I recently have stuffed my parents' garage full of furniture, and I'm gonna get to work right now. So catch you later.